Okay, good day. Today I will teach you how to solve oblique triangle using the sine law. So let's have to recall that oblique triangle is a triangle having no right angle. This could be either acute triangle or an obtuse triangle. Now try to look at this example. Triangle ABC is an acute triangle with the known parts of measure of angle A, side A, and side B, and all other parts are still to be found out later. Now, if you want to solve this triangle, the concept or principle to use is the sine law. So, what is sine law? Sine law is the ratio of the angle to its opposite side. So, in this case, we have your angle A, opposite is side A, angle C opposite is side C, and then angle B opposite is side B. So that sine of angle A over A is equals to sine of angle B over A is equals to sine of angle C over C. Okay? So sine law will work with the following information. Two angles and one side, that is side angle case and angle side angle case. And the second one, two sides and an angle opposite one of these side, that is side angle case. Okay, let's have this example. Find the missing parts of triangle ABC on the right. So this triangle here, no? So first things to do is to identify the given or the available information based on the given illustration. So we found out that measure of angle A is 42 degrees, then measure of angle C is 70 degrees, and then the measure of side A is 6 degrees, and the measure of we need to find out the measure of your measure of angle B, side B, and your side C. Okay, so please be reminded that the sum of the measures of the triangle inside the triangle is always 180 degrees. So in this particular fact about the triangle, we can now solve angle B, measure of angle B, because we have A already and C. So plugging in the values here, measure of angle is 42 degrees plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C 70 degrees, that is equals to 180 degrees. So that combining 42 and 70, that would be 112. So measure of angle B plus 112 is equals to 180 degrees. So measure of angle B is equals to 180 degrees minus 112. So that the measure of angle B is equals to 68 degrees. So from the available data, we can now solve for B. No? So we can now solve for B. So we can use sine A over A is equals to sine B over B. So plugging in values, we have here sine A is 42 degrees over 6 is equals to sine B, which is sine B, which is equals to 68 degrees all over B. So using your scientific calculator, you hit sine, then 42, then equal. So you get there 0.42 0.67 all over 6, and sine, that is sine, hit sine, and then 68 then equals, that is 0.93 all over b. So you cross multiply so that you will have 0.67b is equals to 6 times 0.93. So doing the multiplication, 0.67b is equals to 6 times 0.93, that is equals to 5.58. Now b. So in order to solve for b, divide both sides of the equation by 0.67. 0.67, cancel 67, so you've got b is equals to 5.58 divided by 0.67, and you've got this 8.33 8.33 as the value for your b. Okay, so in the same way, we can now solve c, no? Side c. So you can use the relationship sine a over a is equals to sine c over c. Okay, so plugging in values, we have sine 42 degrees over 6 is equals to sine 70 over c. So sine 42 is 0.67 over 6 is equals to sine 70. The sine 70 is equals to 0.94. Is 0.94 over c. So cross multiply. No, you have to cross multiply. So we have here 0.67c is equals to 6 times 0.94. So you multiply that one, that 0.67c is equals to 6 times 0.94. So that will give you 5.64. So divide both sides of the equation by 0.67. 0.67. Then we can cancel 0.67, and c is 5.64 divided by 0.67. That will give you 8.42. No? So this is now the value of your c, or no, side c. So in this up to this particular video, part of the video, we were able to solve the triangle ABC, no, by using the sine law. Okay, so for your practice, to check your understanding, you can solve the triangle XYZ, do it yourself, so you can have more practice to be able to internalize the concept of using the sine law. Thank you, and more power.